Hello everyone, today our team is going to present a topic that highly relevant for many multinational companies, how to expand operations effectively and in a standard way, while also managing costs, especially in today's fast-growing and highly competitive convenience retail market. As operation management consultants for this project, we focus on Circle K Vietnam, a fast-growing convenience store chain in a highly competitive market. The first one, Socrates were originally found in Texas, USA back in 1951 and is now owned by the Canadian multinational corporation Alimentation Contact. As of 2024, Circle K operates over 14,000 stores in more than 20 countries around the world. In Vietnam, Circle K entered the market in 2008. Today, has over 500 stores across major cities like Ho Chi Minh City, Hanoi, and Da Nang, operating 24/7. As the first international convenience store brand in Vietnam, Sokoke target urban youth, working professional, and tourists. Its business model emphasizes fast service, a wide variety of products, and overall convenience. That's what makes it a really interesting case for studying modern operation management practice. Um, the main goals are the first one to evaluate circle case operation using the 4Vs model, that's volume, variety, variation, and visibility to better understand its operational dimensions. The second to identify three key operational areas that need improvement in order to enhance efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction. And finally, to provide three target and practical recommendations by on total quality management principle and lean thinking. DRMS have been shown to improve its long-term operational performance, sustainability, and competitiveness through actionable tariff-based insights.
They were founded in 1951 in El Paso, Texas, and is now headquartered in Tempe, Arizona. It's owned by Alimentation Corstar, a Canadian multinational. Today, Circle K operates in over 20 countries with more than 14,800 stores worldwide. The store offer a wide range of products and services, from snack, drink, and ready-to-eat food to ATM service, bill payment, and mobile phone top-up. Most locations are open 24 hours per 7 days, including holiday, making them extremely convenient. In terms of brand identity, Circle K is on about being fast, clean, friendly, and convenient. Their brass and white circular logo is easy to recognize, and they focus on providing a consistent experience in every store. Circle K entered Vietnam in 2008, becoming the first international convenience store chain here. Now it operates nearly 500 stores in the major cities like Ho Chi Minh City, Hanoi, and Cần Thơ. Let's quick look. Let's quickly look at their strategies in Vietnam. About the operational strategy, Circle K focus on 24-hour per 7-day availabilities, an efficient supply chain using technology for inventory and demand forecasting, standardized service and regular staff training, adoption of digital tools like cashless payment, online order, or loyalty program. On a business side, on a business side, um, they use to for apps model like express it mean high quality of food and drink, friendly mean professional and warm customer service, fast quickly transaction, full always well stocked shelf. They also adapt to local stay in Vietnam and focus on expanding quickly in the densely populated area. To connect with the younger customer, they use modern marketing, especially on social media. To sum up, Circle K's success comes from combining global standards with the local understanding, using technology, strong operation, and customer-focused service to become a trusted convenience store brand worldwide.
So, move to the operation theory. Circle K Vietnam effectively applies lean strategy to balance efficiency and flexibility in the local market. For instance, inventory optimization. Automatic ordering based on sale data cuts inventory by 30%. For example, increased soft drink stock in summer, local supplier partnership like Vinamilk BB card reduced delivery times to 24 to 48 hours from 5 to 7 days for imports. The next one is waste reduction. The lean green models recycle in store, saving costs and supporting CSR. Circle K also used Six Sigma in TQM for consistent quality across more than 300 stores. The first one is fast food quality control, uh, H- HACCP standards, for example, 2-hour temperature checks and 5S at cutter and stool quality and cleanliness. Uh, Beside that, the error reduction is also applied. Train staff using BOS systems and double-check reduce billing errors below 1%. It has so can maintain a reliable brand image in Vietnam's competitive convenience retail sector.
Hi, I'm Nhật, who will present the areas of operations improvements in Circle K, moving to the first and the most dangerous. That Circle K needs to change is the fluctuation in balancing quality service. Circle K has opened many branches both domestically and internationally, but that leads to the variety of levels of service quality in different countries from different places. Moreover, certain areas do not comply with standard procedures that create a poor experience from customer service. We will use TQM theory to identify weak leadership and missing improvement cycles as key causes. About the leadership, lack of transactional leadership lead to inconsistent service standards across Circle K network. Each nation has applied the standards in the old way, which causes the service inconsistency limited regional quality leaders to ensure the standards is performance. About the Kaizen, the continuous improvement, many branches didn't collect the customer feedback to make improvements. They just maintain their own organization at the design level. Therefore, service never meet the excellent achievements. We conduct a survey of 25 customers at 4 different Circle K stores, 100 people total, regarding service quality, product quality, and product variety. This first picture will show the rating of service quality in each Circle K. It is clear that while the first three stores has had low ratings, the last one, which was extremely higher than others, was rated at 4.37. And the second question is how can customer rate the product variety at Circle K? It still happened that the last one gained the highest percentage in very diverse and quite diverse. Surprisingly, at the last question about the product quality, the very good and good at Circle K tree was received higher than others. In short, this creates the disparity in individuals' perspective about Circle K. Secondly is the stock inventory and lack of supply chain. Many Circle K outlets suffer from poor inventory management, leading to frequent stockpile during peak hours and overstocking of slow-moving items. By applying the 8 Ways framework or teamwork, Circle K can reduce excess inventory and improve service availability at the point of sale. About the inventory crisis, Circle K holds more stock than needed, leading to increased hold costs, expire products, and reduced shelf space. Moreover, with the waiting crisis, staff normally wait for late deliveries from regional warehouses, especially during weekend. Consequently, this will create customer dissatisfaction due to availability of key items, and Circle K will lose revenue from missed sale opportunities. The last problem of Circle K is the store layout and flow efficiency. Several Circle K stores suffer from limited space and tight access layouts, which may affect not only customer experience but also the flexibilities of staff, especially on the rush hour. The functional layout do not utilize space efficiently because the space of Circle K is normally small. Functional areas scattered throughout the store will make the customer flow unclear and waste their time. In the rush hour, it can easily lead to congestion. In short, Circle K face critical issues in maintaining consistent service quality, but these 3 areas of operations improvements will extremely affect the customer experience and the Circle K's reputation. Addressing the areas is essential for enhancing operational performance across all markets.
In conclusion, Circle K has become a major global convenience store chain since its establishment in 1951. With over 14,800 stores across more than 20 countries, including Vietnam since 2008, it provides accessible products and services aiming to be a fast, clean, friendly, and convenient stop for daily needs. However, Circle K faces the key operational issue that impact customer experience and its reputation. Firstly, consistent service quality is a challenge across its many stores. Local leaders have applied different standards in their own ways, which causes varying level of service, potentially causing customer dissatisfaction. Secondly, inventory management needs improvement. Circle K often faces stockouts during peak hours and overstocking of slow-moving items. This inefficient handling of goods increases costs and disappoints customers who can't find what they need. Lastly, the store layout and flow of some stores can be inefficient, especially in smaller locations. This can make it difficult for customers to shop comfortably and for staff to assist them efficiently, particularly during busy times. Addressing these 2 important areas, service consistency, inventory control, and store layout, is crucial for Circle K to improve customer satisfaction and strengthen its performance in the Vietnam market.
Before the part of conclusion of Thai, we will come to the next part is the recommendations for Circle K. First one is we will strengthening traditional leadership and regional quality groups. First, you probably noticed that service quality isn't consistent across all Circle K countries. To fix this, we will post recruiting TQM quality leadership councils in each area. Make sure every store follows same high service standard. Number two, you will have to adapt on global SOP so they work smoothly in local markets and run regular audits, trainings, and Kaizen workshops to keep improvement.
To back up this up, we use check sheets at every outlet so staff can log service issues as they happen, and they build Pareto charts to quickly spot the top problems we have need to tackle first. The next one is the introduce a real-time inventory monitoring system. Next, let's talk about the inventory of Circle K. Circle K is struggling with the both overstock items and empty shelves at peak times. Our solution is, I think, it will be an AI-driven inventory platform tied directly into the POS system for real-time demand forecasting for the overstock. We will combine that with the just-in-time ordering approach, working with local suppliers to bring in stock exactly when it's needed. And to keep everything on track, we run the continuous PDCA cycles plan to check art, reviewing performance data and tweaking our policies. And the third one is Redi- redesign store layout for efficiency. Lastly, many stores get crowded during rush hours, like in the morning when people go to work. Slowing down both of staff and customer, we recommend applying lean layout principles to minimize unnecessary movement. By creating a spaghetti diagram, we can literally trace how people move through the store and pinpoint where jams occur. With that insight, we reposition cells, counters, and equipment to open up clear pathways. And we also test a dedicated grab and so go zone. Customer can pick up repeat items and pay quickly. Separate with the settle for pay for money for the products and which should help the man as else following smoothly. And after that, I will show you a reference list of our presentation. Thank you for listening about the management and operations about Circle K with Group 2.